It's Professor Dave. Let's talk indefinites.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
English grammar says that indefinites are words that refer to non-specific people, objects, or places. That's a good way to describe them because the word indefinite is derived from Latin and it refers to something without limits or boundaries, which we discussed when we learned about the indefinite article. Indefinite adjectives and pronouns will work the same way, but in order to best understand this concept, let's put the boundaries back for a moment so that we can take them away and see the difference. Consider these examples in English. We went to the movies. Most people went to the movies. I ate 5 pastries. I ate several pastries. There is a crowd in the mall. There is a crowd everywhere. He drank all the beer. He drank everything. Giulio came to see you. Someone came to see you. We can see the difference in specificity. Likewise, Italian grammar says that indefinites describe something in a generic way. For pronouns, they are divided into 3 categories. The first is when people or things are described as one individual thing. These will be ognuno, ciascuno, qualcosa, qualcuno, chiunque. Qualcuno potrebbe dire che questo non è giusto. Ognuno di loro ha portato un regalo diverso. Qui c'è qualcosa che non funziona. E tu credi a chiunque? The second category is used when people or things are described as a totality. These will be tutti and tutto. Tutti stanno zitti quando parla lui. Perché non hai mangiato tutto? And the third is when people or things are described as a non-specific quantity. These pronouns are nothing but indefinite adjectives, and they include certi, alcuni, molti, pochi, altri. Alcuni preferiscono il mare, altri la montagna. Pochi farebbero quello che hai fatto tu. Molti si sono fatti indietro. Now let's talk about indefinite adjectives. These are similar to the indefinite pronouns, but sometimes they have forms that agree with their nouns. Other times they are invariable. Let's look at the most common ones. Ogni means every, and it is invariable. Faccio una passeggiata ogni sera. Prendo le vitamine ogni giorno. Tutto, tutta, tutti, and tutte, which mean all, has 4 forms, but will need an article. Hai mangiato tutta la pizza? Hai mangiato tutto il pollo? Faccio una passeggiata tutte le sere. Prendo le vitamine tutti i giorni. Qualche means some, and it is also invariable. It requires a singular noun, and make sure to notice that qualche has a plural meaning, but a singular appearance. Posso avere qualche cioccolatino? Posso avere qualche caramella? Alcuni and alcune is a synonym of qualche, but it requires a plural noun. Posso avere alcuni cioccolatini? Posso avere alcune caramelle? Then there are quantifiers like molto, tanto, poco, and troppo. These have 4 endings. Lui mangia troppa pasta. Tu mangi poche verdure. La mamma mangia molto pesce. Other adjectives with 4 endings are as follows. Altro means other. Posso avere un'altra mela? E magari 2 altre biscotti? Certo means certain. Certi libri sono proprio noiosi. Certe volte non ti capisco proprio. Diverso is used in the plural, where it will mean several, rather than the regular meaning of different. Diversi studenti ti cercavano. Te l'ho già detto diverse volte. Lastly, qualunque and qualsiasi mean any. They are synonyms and invariable. Posso avere una penna? Che penna? Una penna qualunque. Una penna qualsiasi. Now there are other indefinites that are only used in negative sentences, and we will cover those next. But first, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.